Hello, and welcome to a little bit about Apex courses and what you can expect for the functionality and the organization of every single course. So, when you log into a course, it's going to automatically have this button, this little looks like a play button or a next button that takes you to whatever the last thing was that you were doing. So, it might take you right now it's taking me to 1.1.1 because that's the last study that I had open. Okay. I want you to know this is not the easiest way to navigate through. If I click on this, I can get a course outline, and this actually shows me who I like words. So this shows me a table of contents with the words for the course. Okay. So I know what each unit is called. I can click on this. This is what's called a collapsible list. I can click on that and I can see all the topics that are within this unit. And one of the things you'll notice is that there's a section called purpose points. The idea of purpose points is that this is the opportunity for the teachers to make sure you're doing some kind of participation stuff in class. So whether that is working on IXL or participating in extra, I shouldn't say extra really, in assignments that will make sure that you are ready for the materials of this course. A lot of times they have really great and interesting things that they add to the course to help make sure that you're getting the core things that you need to learn. Usually these are what the teachers have identified you really need to know for that specific course. So make sure you talk to your teacher and find out what they want for your purpose points. In English, it might be additional writing. In math, it might be some additional work on your math skills. You just really need to talk to each teacher and figure out what. The other thing that you have are resources. And one way you can get to resources is up here through the table of contents. But another way is when I'm in the course, so I'm going to go ahead and click, and now I'm in Unit 1, I have the option to click on resources. And that brings me to student resources. You have a calculator and a syllabus. The syllabus tells you, it really tells you all the points in the breakdown of the course and where everything comes from. But the one that I really think is important that you know is the key terms, because the key terms is a glossary for the entire class. Okay. So what I'm going to recommend you do with this is print it and save it as a PDF to your Google Drive, which you should know how to do from the earlier lesson where you saved your learning styles. So you're going to save this as a PDF and press save here and make sure you're saving it in your Google Drive. My screen looks a little different because I'm on a Windows computer, but you can go to Google Drive over on the left for you and save it to your Google Drive. Okay? And then once you've saved it to your Google Drive, you can open it as a Google Doc. And that is awesome. And I will show you how that works later. But make sure you save your key terms as a PDF. Okay, I look forward to sharing more Apex tips with you in the next video.